The first thing I needed to be done in this house was this wardrobe because my clothes need a home. It has to be visible because I travel a lot, so I only have like 2 hours to pack. And also I've done it up according to seasons as well. I have a lot of accessories and handbags. That's why I built a glass cabinet, so it's a bit of a self-indulgence there where I can sit here and look at my handbags and also some of my shoes here as well. I do love my handbag. I do love the dress over there, the pink dress by Isabel Sanchez. Seeing the volume of the things that I have, having a white interior, it's easy for me to find my shoes, for example, rather than having it so dark. So what I always do is I arrange the clothes myself. So every time I bring it to the wash and it comes back, I do make sure that I hang up my clothes the way I know where to hang them up. Well, I've kind of color coordinated. It's all in my head actually. Given that time is a luxury, I do need to know where everything is.